Surveyors often face numerous challenges when capturing as-built point cloud data: occluded areas, complex layouts, and accuracy demands. But you need precise as-built models for renovations, facility management, and future planning. Here's how we helped overcome challenges and build a precise as-built model for a large retail store. Surveying complex structures comes with hurdles: areas that are difficult to access, noisy point cloud data, inferior quality of scans, and the need for high precision. Our client needed a reliable way to overcome these challenges. They sent RCS files, drawings, scans, and 360-degree photos derived from drones and laser scanners as input to the Hitech CADD Services team. The team at Hitech CADD Services used Autodesk Revit to convert the high-density point cloud scan data into a 3D BIM model with ++ 10mm accuracy. Point cloud to BIM work delivered a 3D Revit as-built model with accurate wall alignments, duct placements, and structural integrity. We also delivered complete PDF files with floor plans, building sections, elevations, site plans, roof plans, which adhered to LOD 300-400 standards. Looking for accurate, clash-free as-built models? Connect with us to transform your projects with 3D BIM precision and expertise.